everybody.
So excited about this.
We are excited. You know why? Because this is one of the menu items on the new menu down at Sarah's.
So I have to tell you, I mean, I've always loved the food at Sarah's, and there are healthy choices, which makes me so happy because you can't go a lot of places, especially in Eureka, and get healthy choices. And at Sarah's you can, but you've just upped your game like big time. And so, and to have our Two Hungry Neighbors menu down there, and honestly, every single item on there I love. Like, I'm so excited.
It's our favorites, is what it is.
It is. It's all our favorites.
So I have noticed, you know, obviously the trend for plant-based menu items, gluten-free, dairy-free. So I decided, since, you know, we're doing this, I would go ahead and put together a menu. So we took some of our favorites and we created a menu.
Love it.
So it's a separate menu. You still can get your favorites, but
so you can still get the juicy burger.
You can still get the juicy burger.
And it's delicious. But if you want a healthier version, it's available, which is what's so great.
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I've done here is we're just going to make like a teriyaki veggie bowl, because who doesn't like teriyaki, first of all?
Love teriyaki.
And this is just something that's going to be healthy and delicious. And yeah.
So we've got little zucchini, little red pepper, and a little cabbage. And then you just have a little olive oil in the pan?
Just a little olive oil.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
This bad boy gets hot, hot, hot.
Yeah, it goes fast. And then we've got our rice over here. Okay.
I'm gonna give it this because
So I'm just going to sit here and look pretty. Let me know what I can do. You want to put a little rice in here on the bottom?
Yeah, why don't you?
Okay.
More. So all I did we already say what was in here? Cabbage,
yes.
zucchini, some red pepper. I'm going to say it again.
Line it here with...
Yes. So I love adding cabbage to my stir fry.
Yes, I do too.
So good. And it's high in fiber. It's so good for you. Okay, so we're just going to saute that down.
And then this was just some brown rice that we cooked off. So that's going to be the base of our rice bowl. And then you oven roasted some sweet potatoes, some red onion, and some broccoli, and then carrots, right?
And some carrots. Yeah, I almost forgot the carrots. Again.
Tell me how much. I mean, do I have to be the brains and beauty of this operation? Really? Come on. It's a lot to ask.
It really is.
I mean, it's a lot to ask.
So all we're going to do is just heat this.
Okay. That looks amazing.
That's it.
That's it. And then we're adding this.
So let's add some teriyaki
sauce.
sauce.
So what did you put in the teriyaki sauce?
So there is just some brown sugar, some honey, and some gluten-free tamari.
Nice.
Which is like a soy sauce.
And we probably could have used coconut sugar as well.
We could.
Why didn't we?
I don't know.
What's wrong with you?
I think we might try and do that.
Yeah, I think we should. Coconut sugar, and we might as well just have a healthier, non-refined sugar.
Thank you.
Yeah.
High five.
You're welcome. Okay, that looks perfection. Did we already eat lunch?
We did. This will be our dinner.
It's our dinner. Okay, that's all I need. And then we're just gonna put that on here, huh?
Yep.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that is so pretty. Look at that. That would just make me so happy.
I know. So I'll tell you, I'll be honest, every time
I need to get a fork.
I go to a restaurant and they have some kind of teriyaki vegetables or any kind of steamed vegetables and rice, that's usually what I get. So, I mean.
So can I try it?
Yeah, it's going to be.
Little broccoli, a little zucchini, a little sweet potato, and a little pepper. I don't even need the rice.
I know, I want the cabbage.
Jill, that's delicious. That's really delicious. I'll be ordering that. Is it hot? All right, so a couple things. We'll put the recipe below. This can be ordered at Sarah's on Central.
That's right.
You can also make it in the comfort of your own kitchen.
That's right.
But when you are eating out, it is nice to have those options.
It is nice.
Yeah, and it's beautiful and healthy.
So for all you people that wanted healthy options in Eureka, you have a whole menu now. Whole menu.
And everything's delicious because we've tried it all.
Right.
So not only can you get it, but you can get our recipes too off the videos. So
Okay,
check it out.
Check it out.
See ya.